extraordinary moment. We're watching as the last year of the last century of the old millennium slouches off stage to make way for the youthful entry of the new.
This is an emergency broadcast from the BBC. Ladies and gentlemen, we interrupt all programming to bring you this critical update. As the clock struck midnight on January the 1st, 2000, the Millennium Bug, widely known as Y2K, has struck with unprecedented force. Computer systems worldwide, unprepared for the date rollover, are failing catastrophically. We must warn you, moments after this broadcast began, we anticipate losing connection due to widespread power grid failures. Reports are flooding in from air traffic control centres. Planes are falling out of the sky. Embedded computer systems in aircraft have malfunctioned, causing navigation and autopilot failures. Eyewitnesses describe commercial jets plummeting over major cities, including London, New York, and Tokyo. Emergency services are overwhelmed. Avoid airports and flight paths at all costs. Furthermore, main key items needed for survival that depend on electricity are failing. Power plants are shutting down, leading to blackouts across the UK and Europe. Refrigerators, water pumps and heating systems in homes are offline. Stockpile non-perishable food, bottled water and blankets immediately. Hospitals are on backup generators. Traffic lights, ATMs, and fuel pumps are inoperable, grinding transportation and commerce to a halt. This is not a drill. The Y2K bug has exposed our digital vulnerabilities, and society as we know it is unraveling. Please stand by as we get more information on this crisis. We have just received unconfirmed intelligence from military sources. In the chaos, automated defense systems have glitched. All of our nuclear missiles, intended for deterrence, have erroneously launched towards Canada. This appears to be a Y2K-induced error in targeting protocols. We repeat, UK and Allied nukes are en route to Canadian soil. Evacuation warnings are being issued, but the scale is unimaginable. In the event of Canadian retaliation, and reports indicate they have indeed begun launching, the public must prepare for nuclear fallout. Seek in a refuge immediately. Construct a protected space in the innermost room of your home, away from windows and outer walls, using furniture, mattresses and heavy materials to shield against blast and radiation. We urge all BBC viewers to refer to the booklet Protect and Survive, which was handed out to households about 10 years beforehand by the government. This guide details how to make an inner refuge, block doors and vents with wet towels to prevent fallout ingress, stock it with food, water, a radio, and sanitation supplies for at least 14 days. Stay inside until authorities declare it safe. This is the BBC. God save the King. Stay safe, Britain.